I made the viral warm vegan French onion dip, and it did not disappoint.
Yeah, we're gonna recreate that because it looks freaking amazing.
Vegan butt hair and olive oil, a lot of yellow onions, sugar, salt, and pepper.
Then we need vegan beef stock, so I just have some water here and I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this not beef bouillon cube. And we gotta mix in some Pinot Grigio.
The recipe says to gradually add it in.
Now to a bowl, we're gonna add vegan cream cheese, vegan sour cream, vegan Parmesan, vegan Worcestershire. I removed some of the onions and then I put the rest in. I forgot to mix the thyme in with the onions, so we're just gonna do that now. It's fine, it's fine. Everything's fine. And I'm just tossing together a little vegan mozzarella with those onions that we saved. Let's dip into it. Oh my god. I have a secret to tell you. This is actually my recipe from my brand new vegan recipe ebook, which is part of this year's plant-based bundle. Now, if you don't know what the plant-based bundle is, it is a collection of over 200 ebooks, courses, and guides from the best plant-based cookbook authors, chefs, and personal trainers. If you were to buy them all separately, it would cost you almost $9,000. The plant-based bundle only costs $50. I have it linked to my bio, and if you purchase it through my link and follow me on Instagram, you will also be automatically entered into my giveaway, which is full of all of my favorite snacks. Oh my god.